to our tractor out in the field. Now we can show you in some other areas to look at it, but I've got the field pulled up. Some folks have already seen like our product AutoPath, right? We leverage AutoPath in this design, so we understand then where the tractor is, where my lines are for this field behind us, and so from there, the machine's gone through its checks. It's telling me it's ready to start autonomy. So a farmer would stand a safe distance away from the machine, yet still have it in line of sight. They can hit start. They'll get a warning that it's the farmer's responsibility to ensure the tractor is in a safe operating mode and that there's no one under the tractor. And from there, swipe. The tractor then is signaling that it's going to start work. It'll go through a warning sequence every time it initiates motion. And then from there, it's going to go to work behind us. So you've heard about we're building real tech for real purpose. And so farmers are asking for other solutions to help them manage their operation, help them deal with the tight time windows, weather windows that they have, labor constraints on the farm. There's always a job to be done, but there's never enough people to do that job. And so autonomy allows them to help repurpose some of the things, right? I can now get a job done on the farm, right? Autonomy is designed to work 24/7. And so it can run through the night and implement environmental conditions now, right? Humans gotta sleep, right? And so this tractor doesn't have to sleep. Now it needs to be tendered and refueled, right, as it goes through its normal, 10 to 12 hour fuel windows. But other than that, this thing can just keep running in the field and extend that working day for growers where a human can. And so it's going to provide different benefits for them depending on their operation. That's the cool part about autonomy. We really see it fitting a need for all of the customers we serve. So you think about it, right? A small part-time producer that might have a day job, right? They could get one more field tilled during the day, or they could get one more field tilled at night when they've got to sleep for their day job. Or if you're selling seed, right? Doing your agronomist for your neighbors, right? Allowing you to get out of the tractor at critical windows and spend time on other businesses will allow you to just help diversify and be more profitable as a grower. So those are just some examples of where growers are asking us for autonomy to help fit into their operation.